And now I'm going to connect the blinds to the Google Home, my preferred smart home with Thread, because I have a Google Home hub. So first you put it in pairing mode, which means you push it 3 times. And then you can add it into Google Home by scanning the QR code. And it'll go into pairing mode, and it'll set it up using Thread from the Google Home Hub. And once it does this, you can go ahead and name it, and we can go ahead and put it in the living room where these are located at. And now that the blinds are set up in Google Home, I'm going to share them through Google Home's Matter integration right over to Home Assistant, and it's super easy. So I bring up where the blind is, I go into the device, I go into the settings on the gear icon, and I link it to Matter apps and services. And once it pulls this up, I can go in here, click the button, and it gives me a pairing code. So I'll copy the pairing code, bounce back over to Home Assistant, add the integration, and it's Matter. And I say, yes, it's already in use, and it's through Google Home, and I'm just going to tell it I can't find the Home Assistant connection, paste in the pairing code, and add device. And just like that, it's going to be integrated directly into Home Assistant, and it works awesome. So after about a minute, it comes to this screen, and I can edit the name of this. So I'm just going to call this Living Room Left Blinds rather. It's on my right now, but that's not the correct side. And I'm going to put it in the living room. And then if I wanted to, I could do all kinds of other things, in addition to moving it up like that. You can see it coming up right here. And then once it gets to wherever I'd want it, I can go ahead and hit the stop button, and it'll stop. And just like that, it stops there. I can put it back down and stop it. So wherever I want it, I can do it directly from here. I can also utilize the voice assistants to do it as well. In the Google Home app, you can see I can do the same thing where I can raise the blinds up and make them more open and do that directly in the app. But I can also do that with the voice assistant. And I was mentioning about the voice assistant. This thing works great. Google, close the living room left blind. You can see
closing the living room left blind.
You can see it stopped it and puts it right back down. So pretty quick response there. And you can have this automated as well. These SmartWave blinds are out of this world. I love these cellular blackout blinds, the Matter integration, and the multiple options you have for remote controls are really neat as well.